Students, now we will be doing some questions based on this. Okay, so the very first question, I'll rather pick up an easy one for you, and then we will go on to increase the difficulty level. So this question is 5x plus 3 is equal to 18. You see that a constant is there which is there on the left hand side. So what we read, what we have said, that we will be keeping all the constants on the right hand side and all the variables on the left hand side. So what we'll be doing, we'll be doing transportation. Sorry, it's not transportation, it's transposition of 3. Now when 3 is going over there, so this was plus 3, so there will be a changing sign, and then now it will become minus 3. So now it becomes 5x is equal to 18 minus 3. So this is now 5x is equal to 15. So now we have got it in the form of a x is equal to b. We have got it in the form of ax is equal to b. So what is your a? A is 5. So like we read over here, right? If we need the value of x, we need to divide. If ax is equal to b, we have got. Now if we need the value of x, what we'll have to do? We'll have to divide both the sides by a. Okay, so that's what we'll do now. Ax is equal to b, so we'll be dividing by 5x by 5 is equal to 15 by 5. Okay, 3 times, and this 5 is done. So which implies that x is equal to 3. The value of x equal to 3. Okay, and if they are asking you to represent it on the number line, you can even do it easily. Okay, it should not be drawn by pen, rather do it on a pencil, on a scale. Okay, I'm just showing it to you roughly. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, and here also we need to just make it for the sake of the system. Okay, so this is how we will be making it, and we will pull at this point. Okay, and here we will be writing x equal to 3. That's it. Okay. We will come on to our next question, which is number 2, and that question is 6x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. So what we will do here, you can see over here that again the same thing is happening. Constant and variables are on both the sides. So what we need to do, we need to take the variables on one side and the constants on one side. Okay, so let's do this. So here we will be doing transposition of, we will be doing here we will be doing transposition of 2x and 5 by 2. So whenever this is happening, 6s is okay because this is a variable on the left hand side. 2x will be coming on this side, right? Transposition of 2x. So this is plus 2x, it will become minus 2x, which is equal to 8 was already here. This is a constant on the right hand side. Okay, no issues with it. This was a constant on the left hand side, so we'll bring it on this side. So plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. So this becomes 4x is equal to 8 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so we need to take LCM of it. Here this is 1 and 2. LCM is 2 only. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into 8 is 16 minus 5, which implies that 4x is equal to 11 by 2. Okay, so your answer is not 11 by 2, because again it is in the form of ax is equal to b. So again you need to divide by a. A means 4 on both the sides. So your 4x is equal to 11 by 2. I'll be doing 4x by 4, and here again I'll multiply with 1 by 4. Okay, the thing is same, I have multiplied with 1 by 4 on both the sides. Okay, so 4 gone. Okay, so your x is equal to 11 into 1 is 11 and 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, this thing ax is equal to b, this can also be interpreted, this can also be solved as, you see, 4x is equal to 11 by 2. I want to isolate x. Okay, what is the relation between x and 4? It's multiplication. Now 4x means 4 into x, so 4 will come on that side, so multiply here means it will become divide, so divide na, so 2 into 4, it will come into the denominator. So when it will, thus 4 will come into the denominator, again no sign is there, it will become multiply, and you see the value is same. Okay, understood? So we did two process, right? This from there and this, we got the answer from here. Okay, so next I'll be taking a question with some irrational numbers. Okay, question number 3, which is root 3x minus, so here only root 3 is under root, not x. Root 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 root 3 plus 4. So students, what will happen if x is under root? If there in an equation x is there under root, the highest degree will be half, and it will not be a linear equation, because for becoming a linear equation the degree has to be 1. Okay, now variable only 1 on the left hand side. Okay, I'll be doing transposition of two, which implies that root 3x is equal to, this minus 2 will go on that side, so 2 root 3 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so now this gives you root 3x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 6. Okay, now what happens? 2 root 3 plus x, but here a root 3 is there na. Again this entirely is a constant, and this is a b, and this is ax. Again I got the same process, right? Again same thing. So this can be done in two ways. Okay, one, you will divide both the sides by root 3, or x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 6 by root 3, right? Same process, interpretation is different. Okay, we isolated root 3x. Okay, root 3 went on that side, root 3 was in multiplication with x, went on that side, came in divide. Okay, came as a divisor in the denominator. Whenever it will come as a divisor, it will be in the denominator. Whenever from here it will come over there as a multiplier, so it will be there in the numerator. If here it is multiplied, here it will be in division. If here it is divided, if it would have been x by root 3, then this root 3 would have been multiplied with 2 root 3 plus 6 whole. Okay, so this is equal to, what happens, I'm solving either of them because the answer will be same. I'll split. Okay, so 2 root 3 by root 3 plus 6 by root 3. There was no need to split until unless this was not an irrational number. Just because this is an irrational number, we have to split. So root 3 gone, it's 2 plus 6 means 2 into 3, and 3 means root 3 into root 3, correct? So 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 are gone, so we got 2 root 3 answer. Understood this thing? This thing is actually your 2 into root 3 into root 3. You know na? Root x into root x is equal to x. Why? Because this is x power 1 by 2 multiplied by x power 1 by 2. Okay, so x is having, bases are same, powers will be added, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 according to the law of exponents. Half plus half gives you 1, So x power 1, right? Understood? So this is 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 gone. So this is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Answer. Okay. Yet another type of example. All the examples that I'm showing you are all different kind of questions. Okay. So yet another type of example I'm trying to show you is 3x minus 7 by 5 minus x plus 1 by 6 is equal to 2x plus 2 by 12 minus 1. So what happens? Here you'll see that in the left hand side there are two terms where variable and constant are mixed. Variable constant mixed, variable constant mixed. This is only constant, so this is bound to be on this side. Whenever you find questions like this where there are denominators, okay, you take the LCM from this side and this side. Okay, so let's start doing the LCM first. Okay, student, you can do two things. You can directly start doing LCM of LHS and then RHS. Okay, RHS will be 12 LCM and this will be 5 6 are 30. Okay, so this is 30. 30 divided by 5 gives you 6. 6 into this, 6 into 3x minus 7 minus 30 divided by 6 gives you 5. So 5 multiplied by x plus 1 equal to, here also it is 12. Okay, 1 by 1, right? Here also the LCM is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 into this 2x plus 12 is 2x plus 12. And here minus 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. So now you will expand this. 6 3s are 18 x plus 6 is plus minus 6 7s are 42 minus 5 into x is 5x. You see minus 5 into plus x minus into plus, this x is plus positive, minus into plus is minus 5x minus plus is again minus 5 into 1 is 5 by 30 is equal to 12 minus 12 is gone, so this is 2x by 12, and this can be written as 2 6 0, so this can be written as x by 6. Okay, now your 6 and here this is 5. I just did it to make the solution easy, or else cross multiplication would have happened. 30 into x, 30x, 6 into this entire stuff, so the things will become difficult. At every step, try to reduce, try to simplify the equation. It will be easy for you and very fast you can solve it. Now 5 will get multiplied here, and here nothing will be multiplied, so 18x minus 5x gives you 13x. Minus 42 minus 5, minus plus, means operation will be addition, the sign will be negative only. 42 and 5, 47 is equal to 5 into x, 5x. So 13x minus 47 is equal to 5x. Now this 13x will stay over here. This is 5x now, a variable on the right hand side. Bring it on the left hand side. Do transposition. So here we are doing transposition of 5x. Okay. So this 5x, 13x plus 5x goes on that side, becomes minus 5x. Minus 47 goes on that side, becomes plus 47. 13x minus 5x becomes 8x is equal to 47. Again we got ax is equal to b. So what is the value of x? Here what is the value of x? X equal to b, this by it will come a. So this is equal to x is equal to 47 by 8 is the answer. Okay. Students, here there was a slight mistake into the question that I have taken over here. So you noted this is 2x plus 2. It is actually 2x plus 12. Okay. It's not 2x plus 2, it's 2x plus 12. And the same I've carried over here. Only in the question it was wrong. Yet another question I'm doing onto it. The question is y minus 3 by 5 plus y minus 4 by 7 is equal to 6 minus 2y minus 1 by 35. Okay. So you can see, students, a term with variable into it, a term with variable into it. This is a term which is a constant, but again variable into it. So students, here what we'll do, you see this is minus and again 2y minus 1. So this is variable, we will take it onto the left hand side, okay, as we decided. So y minus 3 by 5, we will be doing transposition of this, okay, plus y minus 4 by 7 minus na as a whole this is coming, but what was the sign over here? It was negative. This whole portion is coming, whole term. What was the sign of the term? Negative. This, it will become positive over here, 2y minus 1 by 35. This is equal to 6. Now your question became a bit easy. At a time you will take LCM of all three. Had it been over here, just if you wouldn't have transposed it, so what would have happened? You would have to take LCM over here and here separately. So 5 sevens are 35. Okay, you see, again 35 can be the LCM, right? LCM is 35. 35 divided by 5 gives you 7. 7 into this, 7 into y minus 3 plus 35 divided by 7 gives you 5. 5 into y minus 4, right? Plus 35 divided by 35 gives you 1. 1 into 2y minus 1. So this is 2y minus 1. This is equal to 6. Now 7 into y is 7y minus 7 3 is 21 plus 5 into y is 5y minus 20. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 2y minus 1 by 35 is equal to 6, which implies that now you need to add all the variables on and all the constants separately. So I'm counting the variables first. 7y plus 5y gives you 12y. 12y plus 2y gives you 14y. Minus 21 minus 20. Minus minus plus, the operation will be plus, but the sign will be minus only because the bigger number is minus 21. So minus 21 minus 21 minus 20 gives you minus 41. Again minus 41 and minus 1 gives you minus 42. Okay, by 35 is equal to 6. Students, if you will visualize it properly, what you can notice over here, you can notice that 14, 42, 35 are all multiples of 7, right? So what you will do is you will take 7 common from here. 14, from 14 if 7 is gone, means common means from 14 if I am taking common 7 means you have to divide 14 by 7. So 14 by 7 gives you 2. So this is 2y minus. From 42 I am taking 7. So 42 means from 42 I am taking 7. 7, 6 are 42, so minus 6. Okay, by 35, nothing to do over here, is equal to 6. So what is the next step? 7 5 times. Then what is the next step? 2y minus 6. Again this 5 was in denominator, it was in division. It will go over there, it will come in numerator and in multiplication. 2y minus 6 is equal to 6 into 5. We did transposition, okay. So which implies that 2y minus 6 is equal to 30, which implies that 2y is equal to, constant will be going on that side, 30 plus 6, which is 36. That is not the answer. 2y is equal to 36. Y is equal to, which implies that y is equal to 36 by 2. So this value is 18, and 18 is the answer. Okay. So y, this value of y is equal to 18. Okay.